kickboxing, I was too happy because I was one of the martial arts in my young days, you know. And Modi told me that. I said, definitely I'll be there, although I have no function here of me. And which ways, Goa Sports Kickboxing Association has participated for the second time, and they brought honor and a matter of joy and happiness that today they have achieved out of 48 participants. They have almost achieved about out of 46 participants, they achieved almost about 49 medals in different categories: gold, silver, bronze. And this for the state. Out of we all came first out of among the 22 states. Goa featured number 1, and today out of how many states?
Last time 21 states.
21 states, and
This year 22 states.
20 states we came almost first as well. So that is the wonder, and I really congratulate the censor and his team.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.